One45 Analytics is a turnkey data warehouse and dashboarding system designed for medical education. Today we will be looking at how you can export visualizations and underlying data from analytics. These features are available in both the I Work in Student Academic Affairs and I Work in the Office of Medical Education areas of our system. Choose your dashboard and then a sub-dashboard within the system. Here I'm going to narrow in on the particular data I seek today. And once I have the data incorporated within my visualization, I can choose to right-click and export the data. But before doing that, if I want to see the data in a larger format prior to printing or moving to PDF, we can expand the visualization. Once the data is expanded, you can choose to change the orientation or other items within your visualization. Here, I'm going to change this to a horizontal view by looking at the labels or presentation format. And now that I have the data laid out in the format that I seek, I can right-click on the visualization and then go to the export options. Exporting as an image will allow me to export the data as a PNG or JPEG, and I can set custom dimensions should I choose. Exporting the option to PDF will save this within your computer. And we can also choose to export the underlying data. Rename the file and save it to your computer. Open up the file. And here we can see all of the underlying data from our visualization. For the biochemistry course, it provides us with the fail rates, fail percentages for each of these items, pass, etc. Click Close, and then you can minimize the visualization to continue with your tasks.